Hi, my dear friends, children, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you or discuss with you some verbs. I have already told you in my classes, I always tell my children, even though you know some verbs, even though you know the tenses, like from the day one we learn simple tense, simple present progressive, simple present tense, simple present progressive, past tense, present perfect, past perfect. So loads of tenses. But okay, you all, and also you learn verbs, nouns, words, right? But still, when it comes to make a sentence, you can't make a sentence because different verbs behave in a different way. Some verbs, you don't need a preposition. Like my popular structure, simple present structure is doer, the person who does the action, plus action or the verb and doer. So we can put some verbs to form a sentence according to this structure. You put the words like, let's say, mother cooks rice. Mother cooks rice, right? So doer, verb, object. But let's take laugh, right? Laugh in the sense, like you laugh. Laugh means laugh loud, not smile. What a difference between laugh and smile. Laugh is you laugh for a joke. Somebody makes a joke and you laugh. So that's you laugh loud, right? If not, smile is you smile with somebody in a friendly way. Like you see one of your friends in the school and you smile. You can't say I love him. That's wrong. Even though you can say I eat rice according to the structure, you can't say I love him. You have to say I laugh at him. Some verbs, they don't need a preposition. You can say we enjoy the party, my mother cooks rice, we wash clothes, like that. But some verbs, you need a preposition. So laugh, smile. Today you learn laugh and smile. But steal, you can say steal. So next time I'm going to teach you how to use the verb steal, right? And accuse. Accuse and steal together. So we'll make a sentence, accuse and steal together in our next lesson. So until then, bye.